Bloating is a big problem to many people. And then why they have bloating? As what we know, bloating is very serious because many patients cannot stand for this bloating, and many people actually experience bloating. Okay, why they have bloating? There are many causes, because 12 reasons why people so bloated. Okay, one of the reason because we are eating too much. Okay, the other thing is because you are eating too fast. So that's why we try not to eat too fast. The other thing is, in some patients, when they are eating too much of salt, also they will feel bloated when they are eating too much of salt. And the other thing is because the cruciferous fruits, veggie is something that might cause bloating, okay? Cruciferous fruit. So what we can do is try to cut down the cruciferous fruit, especially when you do it in salad form. Right? If you have bloating and we think of this, is it the food that you are taking? The reason because you are eating too much of sugar, and then this sugar, artificial sugar, especially aspartame, is something that can cause bloated stomach. So we have to check it out. Is that is the cause of it? Okay. Then are you drinking? Then the other thing is maybe some people because they drink straw, they are using straw. Okay, they drink too much of air into, and then their intestine are no good. Then might cause the problem. Okay, then what we can see that besides this, where else a patient might have problem? Because people have constipation problem, they might have bloated stomach. Okay, constipation, or because the gassy drink itself might have problem, or patient are not active at all, physically inactive, not active at all, or maybe you are eating dinner too late, or maybe you have food allergen. So this is something that we have to watch out for people who have bloating. Right? And then why people now have bloated this stomach? Why they have all this problem? Why the guts are not functioning well? One of the main reasons underlying all this is because the gut are not functioning, because the gut already damaged, the gut cell already damaged by too much chemical that will actually consume in. We take too much chemical, additive, food additive, pesticide, you see pesticide, MSG, and then a lot of coloring, and then many types of food additive, which is bad to our stomach, and preservative also bad to the guts, intestine, stomach. So for this, what should we do is to make sure that the cell can function back, so that they can, besides we get rid of the problem we have, this one, but we have to go back to the deal with the underlying problem, which is because the cells are not functioning well and inflamed. So to get rid of this inflammation cell, to recover, regenerate a new cell, a good one, we need to do a cellular detoxification. This is a very simple one, okay? So cellular detox is very important to make sure that we are healthy. And this cellular detox will actually eliminate the toxic, okay? Then it will detoxification, means reduce the inflammation of cell, and then besides reduce the inflammation, it will actually make sure that the cell can get rid of all the chemical toxin in, and then cover it, and then make sure that it can have a good absorption, and then it will be healthy. So only healthy guts, then it can produce good enzyme. Okay, to produce good enzyme and no leakage. Okay, many cases blockage because they got leakage, gut leakage. So if there's no leakage, they're very normal, healthy cell, then only it can reduce the bloating problems. Okay, 100%. So besides the treatment, the problems that you are maybe facing now, that you are doing it, avoid these kind of things, and then do a proper cellular detox. Will helps you to reduce the bloating. And then of course you have to find out also the food allergen you might have, like maybe people might have banana, they are food allergens, or dairy product, or maybe even certain wheat product, starch product, gluten, or whatever things. Try to get rid of that, then only we will be healthy. So I hope that it would help you, and you can always share the posts to your loved one, to your friends, then to people who have bloated stomach. So you try to get and then I will see you again and try to get another good video for you next time. See you. Bye bye.